Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. In today's video, we will learn 20 new general knowledge multiple choice question and answer across a variety of topics. Are you ready? So let's start. Question number 1. In what country is the Mercedes-Benz company based? Option A England, B Japan, C Germany, and the United States. The correct answer is Germany. Mercedes-Benz is a division of Daimler, an automotive, truck and bus company based in Germany. The first automobile in the world was created by Carl Benz in 1886, and the first Mercedes began sales in 1901. Question number 2. What is acrophobia? A fear of option A water, B heights, C flying, and D spiders. The correct answer is height. Acrophobia is an extreme or irrational fear of being in height place, such as on a ladder, a tall building, or a mountain. People with acrophobia may experience anxiety, dizziness, sweating, or even panic attack when exposed to heights. Question number 3. The graveyard of red blood cells is known as A. liver, B. spleen, C. heart, and D. lungs. The correct answer is spleen. The spleen plays a key role in filtering blood. It removes old, damaged or worn out red blood cells and break them down. The useful components like iron are recycled while the waste is excreted. Because of this function, the spleen is often referred to as graveyard of RBC. Question number 4. In which century the Mona Lisa was painted? Option A 14th century, B 18th century, C 15th century, and D 16th century. The correct answer is 16th century. The Mona Lisa was painted in the 16th century. Especially Leonardo da Vinci began working on it around 1503 or 1504, and it was likely completed around 1517, though he continued to make revisions until his death in 1519. Question number 5. Where did the traveler Ibn Battuta come from? Option A Persia, B Turkey, C Central Asia, and D Morocco. The correct answer is Morocco. Ibn Battuta was a 14th century Muslim scholar and explorer from the city of Tangier in Morocco. He is famous for his extensive travels, covering nearly 75,000 miles across Africa, the Middle East, Central Asia, India, Southeast Asia, and China over a period of about 30 years. His travel accounts are recorded in a book called the Rihala. Question number 6. Which is the longest snake in the world? Option A anaconda, B wolf adder, C reticulated python, and D black mamba. The correct answer is reticulated python. Reticulated python can grow to impressive length, with some individual recorded at over 30 feet long. They are native to Southeast Asia and are non-venomous constrictors, meaning they kill their prey by cooling around the suffocating it. Question number 7. Which layer of Earth is primarily composed of solid iron and nickel? A. Crust, B. Mantle, C. Outer core, and D. Inner core. The correct answer is inner core. The inner core is the innermost layer of the earth and is primarily composed of solid iron and nickel. It is under immense pressure which keeps it is a solid state despite the high temperatures. Question number 8. What chemical element is used to fill balloon and airships? A. Hydrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Helium, and D. Neon. The correct answer is helium. Helium is the chemical element used to fill balloon and airship. It's preferred over hydrogen because it's non-flammable, making it safer for use in these applications. Helium is lighter than air and provides lift, making it ideal for balloons and airships. Question number 9. In which country of Africa democracy was replaced by military in 1966? A. Bolivia, B. Uganda, C. Ghana, and D. South Africa. The correct answer is Ghana. Question number 10. The doctrine of Hindutva was expounded by A. V.D. Savarkar, B. B.G. Tilak, C. Gandhiji, and D. G.K. Gokhale. The correct answer is V.D. Savarkar. The doctrine of Hindutva was primarily expounded by Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, also known as Veer Savarkar. He is considered the father of Hindutva. His seminal work, Essential of Hindutva, outlined the ideology and introduced the term Hindutva as a form of Hindu. Question number 11. Which of the following helps in clotting of blood? Option A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B6, C. Vitamin B12, and D. Vitamin K. The correct answer is vitamin K. Question number 12. Which of the following countries have the direct access to Black Sea? Option A. Hungary, B. Georgia, C. Slovakia, and D. Greece. The correct answer is Georgia. Question number 13. Which aquatic animal is famous for its ink defense mechanism? A. Dolphin, B. Octopus, C. Shark, and D. Starfish. The correct answer is octopus. Question number 14. Where is the world's largest volcano, Mauna Loa, located? A. Iceland, B. Hawaii, C. Italy, and D. Japan. The correct answer is Hawaii. Mauna Loa, the world's largest volcano, is located on Big Island of Hawaii, United States. It is a part of Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, which is UNESCO World Heritage Site. Mauna Loa is one of 5 volcanoes that make up the Big Island. Question number 15. Which country has world's longest zip line? Option A. UAE, B. India, C. Germany, and D. Russia. The correct answer is UAE. The United Arab Emirates, UAE, is a country with the world's longest zip line, especially the Jebel Jazz flight in Ras Al Khaimah. A UAE holds the record. The zip line is located at top Jebel Jazz mountain and offers a thrilling ride at a speed of 120 to 150 km/h. Question number 16. The first antibiotic discovered was A. Tetracycline, B. Erythromycin, C. Penicillin, and D. Virus. The correct answer is penicillin. The first antibiotic discovered was penicillin, identified in 1928 by Alexander Fleming. It was found to have antibacterial effects against various gram-positive pathogens. Question number 17. Eyes of white tiger are of which color? A. Yellow, B. Black, C. Blue, and D. Brown. The correct answer is blue. Question number 18. Badminton was originated in which country? Option A. France, B. India, C. China, and D. Canada. The correct answer is India. Badminton originated in Pune, India, initially known as Pune, after the city. British Army officers stationed there played the game. It was then taken to England and named badminton after the Duke of Beaufort Badminton Estate. Question number 19. Which country has the most natural lakes? Option A. Canada, B. Finland, C. China, and D. Russia. The correct answer is Canada. Canada holds a record for the most natural lakes in the world, boasting approximately 8,79,800. This makes Canada the country with the highest number of lakes, followed by Finland and the United States. Question number 20. Which continent has no desert? Option A. Europe, B. Australia, C. South America, and D. Finland. The correct answer is Europe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.